Do you know which plant is this? Which is also an example of offsets like pistia. This is Eichhornia, commonly called as water hyacinth, terror of Bengal. Now here you can see the internode which is there between the two plants. Now what is internode? The internode is the distance between two nodes, and that internode has a spongy tissue which helps the plant to float, and if the internode damages, it can spread into a new place. It can become a daughter plant also, so it helps in vegetative propagation. There's so many modifications here. We can see the swollen balloon like petiole. So that's a leaf. The stalk of the leaf is called petiole. In Eichhornia, the petiole is swollen. It is balloon-like and it is made up of parenchyma. When you open and see, there's nothing inside. It is hollow. It is having parenchyma, which will help the plant to float freely on the water surface. Eichhornia freely grows in aquatic water bodies, fresh water bodies. It's a perennial aquatic weed, propagates by vegetative propagation. It has lotus-like leaves, boat-shaped leaves, having a waxy coating on it. Yeah, this is a boat-shaped leaf, and swollen balloon-like petiole. Here flowers are not there, but it has beautiful purplish blue flowers, mauve-shade flowers. You know, this is not an Indian plant. Queen Victoria, she brought this plant to India, getting attracted for its boat-shaped leaves and mauve-shaped flowers, and she introduced it in Bengal in the water lakes. And since it's an invasive weed, it spread. In a short span, it spread massively, and it started consuming the dissolved oxygen. It started blocking the lake and choking the lakes to death. So that's why this is also called terror of Bengal. We can see brown colored thick roots, floating roots, feathery roots having root pockets. The difference between the root cap and the root pocket is root pockets cannot be regenerated. Pistia and Eichhornia, since they grow massively, they provide the spaces for the insects to lay the eggs. Here is one larva. We can see there live. And we can see dark colored floating bushy roots. We can see the boat-shaped leaves and the swollen balloon-like petioles we can see here. And that is a daughter plant which is having an offset. By any damage, if it gets detached from the mother plant, it spreads to a new place. And this plant, Eichhornia crassips, got its name in the honor of a Frederick Eichhorn, who is a Persian minister of education. So it is called terror of Bengal since it has choked the ponds to death. And I have collected this plant from this water body where it has grown very massively, growing like mats, blocking the light and consuming the dissolved oxygen. Here are the flowers of Eichhornia, beautiful purplish blue colored inflorescence it is having.